Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling one of the most frustrating Steam errors out there, error code E20. If you've been hit with this error when trying to log into Steam, browsing the store, or even in the middle of an online game, you know how annoying it can be. The typical error message says, "Something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. Please try again later." But don't worry. Error code E20 typically occurs due to several reasons. You might be experiencing internet connection issues with a weak or unstable network. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software interferes by blocking Steam's connection. Corrupted cache files, which are damaged temporary Steam files, can also cause this problem. In some cases, it's actually Steam server problems, meaning the issue is on Steam's end. Lastly, your VPN or network settings might be conflicting with Steam servers. Now that we know the causes, let's jump into the solutions. First things first, make sure the problem isn't on Steam's end. Visit websites like steamstat.us or downdetector.com to check if Steam servers are experiencing issues. If Steam servers are down, there's nothing you can do except wait for Steam to fix it on their end. But if the servers are running fine, then the issue is definitely on your end. So let's move to the next solution. The simplest solution is often a complete restart. Start by closing Steam completely and make sure to check Task Manager to verify it's actually closed. Then restart your computer or Steam Deck. While you're doing that, also restart your router by unplugging it from power and waiting 30 to 1 minute before plugging it back in. Wait for it to fully boot up, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once everything's ready, open Steam and try logging in. This simple refresh of your network connection often solves the problem right away. Corrupted cache files are one of the main causes of this error, so let's clear them out. You can do this directly from Steam by opening the application and going to Steam, then Settings. Click on the Downloads tab, scroll down, and click Clear Download Cache. Then click OK and log in again. Alternatively, you can clear the cache manually. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type in %local app data %, and find the Steam folder. Delete the cache files in there, but don't worry because your games won't be deleted. While you're at it, you should also clear your temporary files. Press Windows plus R again, type %temp, select all files using Ctrl plus A, and press Delete. If it says some files are in use, just click Skip and continue. Your firewall or antivirus software might be identifying Steam as a threat and blocking its connection. Now, I want to warn you that you should only do this temporarily for testing purposes. Start by temporarily disabling Windows Firewall or your antivirus program, then try logging into Steam. If it works, you've confirmed that the firewall was the issue. For a permanent solution, you'll need to add Steam to your firewall or antivirus exception list, also known as a whitelist. You can do this from your firewall or antivirus settings. Just make absolutely sure to turn your firewall back on after testing because leaving it disabled puts your system at risk. Sometimes changing your download server region can fix the issue. Open Steam and go to Steam, then Settings. Click on the Downloads tab and look for the Download Region option. Select a different region from the drop-down menu. I recommend trying regions closest to you first, then experimenting with other regions if that doesn't work. Click OK and try to reconnect. This simple change can solve region-specific server problems that might be causing your error. Here's an interesting one because VPN can be both the problem and the solution. If you're currently using a VPN, first try disabling it completely and see if that fixes the error. If disabling it doesn't work, try connecting to a different server location within your VPN. On the other hand, if you're not using a VPN at all, sometimes using a reliable VPN service can actually bypass network restrictions that might be causing the problem. This is especially useful if you're in a region with strict network policies or filtering that might interfere with Steam's connection. The issue might be due to insufficient permissions on your system. To fix this, right-click on the Steam icon and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then OK and restart Steam. Running Steam with administrator privileges solves permission and compatibility issues that might be preventing proper connection to Steam servers. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. This is one of the more technical solutions that's been recommended by many Reddit users who successfully fix this error. First, close Steam completely and make sure it's not running in the background. Navigate to your Steam installation folder, which is usually located at C, Program Files x86, Steam. Find the folder named Package and either delete it or rename it to something like package_old. Then restart Steam. The application will automatically recreate these files fresh, which can potentially fix corrupted files that were causing the error. If the problem still persists after trying all the previous solutions, it's time to reset your network settings. On Windows, go to your Start menu and search for Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings, scroll down and find the option called Network Reset. Click Reset Now, but make sure to read the warning carefully because this will remove all your network settings and adapters, resetting them to factory defaults. After confirming, restart your computer. This complete reset of all network settings can solve deep-rooted network configuration issues that might be interfering with Steam. If nothing else has worked, here's the nuclear option. But don't worry, because your games won't be deleted. Go to Settings, then Apps and Features. Find Steam in the list and click Uninstall. Now here's the important part. Before you reinstall Steam, you need to clean out the old configuration files. Press Windows plus R, type App Data, and press Enter. Go to the Local folder and delete the Steam folder you find there. This removes corrupted configuration files that might be causing persistent issues. Now go to the official Steam website at store.steampowered.com, download the installer, and install Steam fresh. When you log in, Steam will detect your existing game files in the Steam Apps folder, and you won't need to re-download anything. This clean installation often solves stubborn errors that survive other troubleshooting attempts. If you've tried absolutely everything and nothing works, it's time to contact Steam support directly. Go to help.steampowered.com and open a support ticket. Describe your issue in as much detail as possible, and make sure to mention which solutions you've already tried from this video. This helps the support team understand your situation better and avoid suggesting things you've already attempted. You can also check the Steam community forums to see if others are experiencing the same issue. Sometimes there are widespread problems that Steam is working on, or other users might have discovered additional solutions that could help you. I really hope these solutions help you fix Steam Error E20 and get you back to gaming. Remember to always start with the simple solutions first before moving to more drastic measures. Be patient because sometimes the issue is actually on Steam's end and there's nothing you can do but wait. Only use the reinstall option as a last resort after trying everything else. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting and tech tutorials. If you have questions or know other solutions that worked for you, drop them in the comments below so others can benefit too. Thanks for watching and